The first years of child's life are critical for growth and development. As parents, we entrust the food we give to our babies to nourish and support their journey. But what if that very food contained hidden dangers? Over the past few years, a series of alarming controversies have emerged surrounding the baby food industry, shaking the trust of families worldwide. Today, OneStats research delves into these serious concerns, examining the evidence, companies involved, and the potential risks to our children's health. One of the most significant persistent controversies revolves around the presence of toxic heavy metals in commercial baby food. We are talking about arsenic, lead, cadmium, and mercury, all recognized neurotoxins that can inflict serious and irreversible damage to a baby's development. A 2019 study revealed that a staggering 95% of baby foods tested contained detectable levels of these dangerous substances. A subsequent congressional investigation in 2021 uncovered dangerous levels of these metals in products from major manufacturers. Internal documents revealed alarming levels. Happy Baby products with up to 180 parts per billion of arsenic and 641 ppb of lead. Earth's Best with arsenic reaching 129 ppb. Beech nut using ingredients with over 900 ppb of arsenic, and Gerber with rice flour containing over 90 ppb of arsenic. These levels often far exceeded the FDA's proposed safety standards. Even low levels of exposure to these heavy metals can have devastating consequences for infants, potentially leading to permanent reductions in IQ, behavioral problems, and an increased risk of neurodevelopmental disorders like autism and ADHD. Another significant controversy involves the alarming high sugar content and the addition of sugars to many baby food products, particularly in markets outside of Europe. A recent report highlighted that Nestlé's Cerelac, a wheat-based product for infants, contained no added sugars in the UK and Germany, but in India it had 2.7 grams per serving, and in Thailand a shocking 6 grams. The World Health Organization advises against any added sugars for children under 2. Early exposure can lead to a lifelong preference of sweet tastes, increasing the risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and dental problems. Critics argue that companies prioritize profits by making products more palatable, especially in regions with weaker regulations. Beyond heavy metals and sugar, other contaminants and safety concerns plague the baby food industry. Pesticide residues have been found in non-organic baby foods, raising concerns about neurological and reproductive health risks. The intentional adulteration of milk with melamine in China in 2008 led to kidney problems in hundreds and thousands of infants. Chemicals like BPA and BPS from plastic packaging can leach into food and may disrupt hormones. Recalls due to the presence of glass and bacterial contamination like Chronobacter highlight the need for stringent quality control. Most recently, cinnamon applesauce pouches were recalled due to elevated lead levels from intentionally added lead chromate. These controversies have triggered a surge in legal battles against major baby food corporations. Parents allege that the presence of heavy metals has caused neurodevelopmental harm in their children. A multi-district litigation has been formed in California, consolidating over 130 cases, and a federal judge has ruled that these lawsuits can proceed against major companies like Walmart, Beechnut, and Gerber. The first trial is scheduled for July 2025. The nutritional quality of commercial baby food has also come under scrutiny, with studies indicating that many products don't meet WHO recommendations. Often high in added sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats, they can lack essential nutrients for infant growth. Over-reliance on such products can lead to deficiencies in crucial micronutrients like iron and zinc. The controversies surrounding baby food are deeply concerning. As parents, it is crucial to stay informed, read labels carefully, and offer a varied diet and consult a healthcare professional. We must also demand stricter regulations and greater transparency from the baby food industry to ensure a safer and healthier future for our children. For more such deep dive, like, share, and subscribe to OneStats. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to OneStats for the news that matters.